Video post-production may seem overwhelming, but it's where storytelling truly begins. Are you ready to transform raw footage into a masterpiece? Think of video footage as raw material. Post-production is your chance to cut and refine it into a valuable gem for audiences to cherish. The journey begins with pre-production, where planning and resources set the foundation for captivating storytelling and engaging visuals. In the production phase, you capture your main footage and B-roll, laying the groundwork for your final narrative. It's action time. Once filming wraps, you enter post-production, turning raw clips into a seamless and polished video experience that resonates with viewers. The initial step in post-production is the rough cut, a crucial stage that shapes your video's narrative, emphasizing what truly matters. Editing can be ruthless. Eliminating unnecessary fluff keeps your audience engaged and interested from start to finish. Less is more. Next, color correction breathes life into your footage by adjusting hues, contrasts, and exposure, enhancing the emotional impact of your visuals. Sound design is vital. Impactful audio elevates your video, drawing the audience deeper into the story, ensuring they connect emotionally. Visual effects create magic on screen, making the impossible possible and transforming ordinary scenes into mesmerizing experiences for viewers. Finally, reviews and quality assurance are essential. Taking breaks during this phase can provide fresh eyes and improve final outcomes significantly. Master video post-production by organizing your workflow, mastering editing tools, prioritizing storytelling, and refining audio. Create captivating experiences effortlessly.